Are you needing a low-mile, gas-powered box truck that's in excellent condition? Well, then take a look at this 2017 Chevy Express 3500 with only 54,000 miles on this 6.0-liter V8 gas engine. Hello, my name is Jeff with Truck and Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales, service, and secure truck parking. Taking a look back here in the business section, we have an aluminum constructed cargo box by the Supreme Corporation. It is plywood lined. You have D-ring tie downs, an LED cargo light, aluminum roof, and hardwood floor. This cargo box measures 15 foot deep. It is 96 inches wide on the exterior, which gives you a 92-inch interior width. It has a very comfortable 87-inch interior height, and that rear door frame opening measures 80 inches. And here we are taking a look at the pull-out aluminum loading ramp. This cab interior is in very nice condition. Everything functions and works exactly like it's supposed to. But hey, it's a commercial box truck, so they don't give you much. I mean, you have a radio, an air conditioner, and they were nice enough to throw some seatbelts in. These just aren't spec'd out like that Infiniti QX80 that you regret buying. Hey Jeff, I really like the truck, but it only has 2 seats, and I got 3 guys. I'm tired of that one guy sitting on a bucket. Well, that's okay, because we are in the solution business, folks. We don't sell trucks, we create solutions. And that's why I want to show you this right here, our optional third man jump seat. After we get done with the installation, it looks like it came straight from the manufacturer. It includes a seat belt, but these vary in price based on year, make, and model, so give us a call. I'd love to give you a quote. And now here is the 6.0-liter V8 Vortec gas engine with 54,000 miles. Now, I've done 100 videos on how awesome this engine is, its reliability, its durability, so I'm going to spare you the details so we can talk about a few other things. Like, hey Jeff, how do I buy this truck? Well, thanks for asking. We take cash payments and we have very competitive financing. If financing is something that we can help you out with, just down below in the comments is our link for our soft pull digital pre-approval credit application. Fill it out, click send. It'll give us just enough information so we can call you and let you know what we can do for you. And keep in mind, we have nationwide delivery available with our licensed and bonded transporters. We can park this truck right on your front door, especially if you live up in the Rust Belt and you don't want something that's all pitted out. Holler at me. We will get you a rust-free truck. And as always, ask me about our optional nationwide coast-to-coast 2-year 100,000-mile warranty option that's available. Last but not least, if you like this video, if you like this truck and you want to see more trucks like it, you got to let me know which videos to make. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit me up in the comments. Ask me a question. Tell me what you think. I will get back to you personally. Well, folks, thanks for watching. My name's Jeff with Truck and Trailer, and we're here to help you grow your business.